Hi, and congratulations on completing week 2 of our biblical interpretation course. Now, I wanted to focus primarily on the discussion question this week, which was after reading Harwas, give your thoughts related to the influence of community on interpretation, and then to what extent do you agree with George Will's comment that men and women are biological facts, ladies and gentlemen, citizens are social artifacts and works of political art. And the quote goes on. So I wanted you to look at various questions like, does Will's insight align with Harwas? And how does it fit with interpretation and the role of the church in the formation of the interpreter? So as I see this question, for Will, the key is to go and research the context of the statement where the quote originates. So I wanted you to look at who is George Will and where is this statement coming from. And then for Harwas, rabbits are, to be sure, creatures of nature, but their nature is the result of the interpretation of their biology with their stories. One student wrote, I believe that it can be said, and that most people would agree, that the underlying attitude and beliefs of our community are formed by the stories and beliefs passed down to them by their ancestors. In Harwas's essay paralleling the story of Waterford Down to modern society, the author makes a strong case that the narratives passed down within a culture are what make up the DNA of that culture, and therefore help create the lens through which the people of that community interpret everything around them. And I think that statement kind of sums up this passage, that who we are is not necessarily as independent as we all think, that we have to look at the culture that created us in order to understand who we are, and then detach ourselves from that culture in order to interpret the Bible apart from our culture. And that's perhaps impossible to do, but at least it is our primary idea. So with that, thanks for all the hard work this semester. Thanks for putting time into your discussion post and for really trying to delve into what is Harwas trying to communicate to us. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with in week 3.